friends, in today video we'll talk about these different types of rooms I have, and I want to make the different types of rooms on these. Let's check it out on 3D. These are the different I have made 4 rooms. I have made 4 copies of rooms. So I want to make different types of rooms, and I want to clear this roof tab to you, clear this roof tab to you. So this is how will you use the different types of roof. So if you directly click on this roof, you'll check this yes button, and now I want to make this roof, so I'll click on this level 1. So this roof tab is now open with me. I want to select this pick lines. This is the simple way. So define slopes. So this is the directly selection, and it will have a slope on the all the sides. So I'll click on this OK, and now let's check out the 3D view of this roof. So this is how this roof, when you generally select roof in Revit, so this roof will make like this is the simple one roof, this one. And if you want to make the slope a little bit less, so this is how you can drag it down. This is the simple roof, and when you directly select, it will have slope on this side and this side. On all the sides it will have a slope. So let's now check out for another one. Let's have this one and make this one roof on this one by another method. So now I'll click on this drag down, and I want to make roof by footprint. Now this one was directly, when I selected, it was directly roof by footprint. So this is now directly roof by footprint, and I'll select line like this. And if I want to make slope on these two sides, so I'll check these two sides, and now I'll check this, uncheck this one side, and I'll make this line and this line, so it will have a slope on one side. Now let's click on the finish button, and now check out the 3D view of it. So let's check it out from here, the default 3D view, so you can check it out. Now it has a slope at one side, at this side it has don't has any slope. Now check it on realistic view, so you can check out the difference between this roof and this roof. Let's make slope a little bit smaller, just like dragging down like this. And if you want to close these walls to this roof, so this is also easy. You'll click on this roof, and you'll mm, you'll click on this wall, and you'll click on this attach top base, and you'll click on this roof. So this will directly automatically attach to the wall, and the other side you want to connect. So this is how you can rotate it, and you'll click on the wall again, just like this, and you'll click on the top attach base, just like this, and this will made. This was the second type of group I have made for you. Now let's go to the wireframe, go to the top view, and I want to make group on this one now. So I'll make this drag down, and I'll this time select roof by extrusion. I'll click this icon. Now it will tell me that pick a plane. So for this, first you should have to go to the any of the elevations. Let's say I want to go to any elevation. Your first step will be to going any elevation. I have gone to this elevation. Now I'll have to make group on this one. So I'll click on this drag down and roof by extrusion. Now it will say me that pick a plane. So I click on the OK and pick this plane. When it highlights all the 3 lines in blue, you click just one on the right side. Now it says that you want any offset. So let's say I want to make one offset of 1 feet. 1 space 0 I'll give it, and it will take 1 feet offset. And now I'll choose this line like this. If I want to make a slope, let's say I want to make a slope roof like this, you can check it out here, just like this. So it will have a curved roof like this all over this roof. Now check out the realistic view of it, and rotate it a little bit on the 3D orbit. Let's check out on the 3D orbit, this one orbit tool, and go to this one. I wanted to make this loop on this one only. Let's go to the realistic view, and now I'll select this loop and drag it a little bit like this. I'll drag it till the other one Let's check out from this elevation. This is now a little bit bigger also. Drag it till like this in. Now let's check out from the other side. This is now, let's manage it a little bit. Go up. I am dragging it a little bit up like this, just to touch this wall only. Let's drag a little bit down, just like this. Wait a little bit, this one is now fine. And now let's join these walls. So this is how the other method we use. Attach top base, just like this. On the back side you'll also select like this. Let's check out, let's orbit it a little bit, just like this. To work with the drawings, I'll select this line, attach top base, attach this line. Now check for the other side also, this face. So this will also, I'll make attach top base. So this was the third one I have made for you. And if you want to make it a little bit smaller in the front, just like this, so you click on this roof and click on the edit profile. So you'll check this line and drag it a little bit back side, just like this, and click on the OK. Now you'll check that the roof is showing like this. You can check it out. This is the roof. So now let's make a curved roof on this one. So I'll select this one. I'll select this left elevation, just like this, and I'll go to the wireframe. This just like this. Let's move a little bit the other one drawing so that these two not come in line. Let's select this one and move it a little bit, just like this. So I'll now work with the left elevation. Now I want to work with this left elevation drawing, just like this. I want to work with this drawings and I want to make a curved roof. So I'll select this roof option, drag down and roof by extrusion. So now it says it pick a plane. I'll press OK, and now I'll select this plane. When it highlights all the three lines, just like this, you can select and press OK. Now I want to make a curved roof, so I'll select this one line and I'll select this line and then this line and make the arc of my own desire. Just like, say, let's say I want to make roof like this, and I'll press the button OK. So this is now my this roof is made. So I'll show you it on 3D and realistic view. Let's check it out in realistic view. So let's check it out a little bit from the other angle, just like this. You can check it. Let's check it out from the front and drag this till this portion, just like this much. I think a little bit away from the roof is okay. And this side also I'll drag it a little bit, just like this. And now I'll join the other sides. This side I'll join top to the roof, in the left side I'll also join this side, attach top base, and you will click on this. So this, I will now show all the roofs. You can check out these all roofs. I have made the different types of roofs. This one was the simple, the first one. This one was slope at one side. This one was curved roof at one side, this one. And you can check out this one is arc shape roof. So you can make the different types of roofs using these Revit architecture roof tool to make the different types of roofs for your drawings. So thank you for watching.